Welcome to Tech Unboxed, the ultimate destination for tech enthusiasts. Join us as we unbox the latest gadgets, delve into cutting-edge technology, and explore the ever-evolving world of tech. From smartphones to smart homes, drones to gaming gear, we're here to unbox it all and provide comprehensive reviews, insightful tutorials, and up-to-date news. Our team of tech-savvy experts is dedicated to bringing you informative and engaging content that will empower you to make informed decisions in this rapidly advancing digital age. Here at Tech Unboxed, we are dedicated to bringing you the most detailed, insightful, and unbiased reviews, hands-on demos, and in-depth guides for the latest tech and gadgets. Whether you're a seasoned tech wizard or just starting to dip your toes into this digital universe, we've got something for everyone. Gadget Reviews. We unbox, dissect, and thoroughly test the latest smartphones, laptops, cameras, smartwatches, and more. You'll get an inside look at how they perform in the real world, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. But it's not just about gadgets and gizmos here. It's about the passion we share for technology and its incredible impact on our lives. We aim to empower you with knowledge, helping you harness the full potential of the devices you own or plan to own. Q&A sessions. Got burning tech questions? Ask away. We regularly host live Q&A sessions and engage with our amazing tech community to provide you with expert answers. So, if you're as passionate about tech as we are, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our ever-growing Tech Unboxed family. Together, let's explore the limitless world of technology, one unboxing at a time. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and stay tuned to Tech Unboxed. Stay geek, stay tech savvy, and stay tuned. Please subscribe, and we appreciate the love.